In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to manage the themes. I have to go to Start, click on Settings, then under Personalization, we have an option for themes. So, the personalization, under Personalization, we have the option for themes here. So, whenever we change the themes, basically we are changing the desktop background image, the color, and the sound effect also. If I want to browse for themes, it will take me to the Microsoft Store where I'll be able to search for themes for Windows 11. And there are some of the themes which are available for free, and there are some of the themes which are available for premium. I need to pay for the themes, and you can browse for the themes which you want. You will be able to download those themes. Once the themes are downloaded, you should be able to apply those themes for your Windows 11 operating system. So now if I click on this particular theme, then I need to click on Get if I want to install this theme for my Windows 11 operating system. Also, if I go to Google, then if I search for Windows 11 theme and if I open this first link, then there are some of the categories. Under each category, we have the themes available. If I select the animals, then I can see list of themes for animals. And if I want to have the themes for the movies, then I'll be able to select from here. And if I open this, let me see. And if I open for this theme, and I will also open for this theme, and for plants. So we have some of the themes which are readily available under each of the category. You can choose whichever themes you want, and I'll download this. So all these themes which I have downloaded, it's all there in the download folder. If I double click any of the theme, then this theme should be applied to my desktop. I'll see if the theme has been applied. Yes, it is already applied. We can see it has changed. So now this is the theme which we have downloaded and installed this theme. If I want to set to a different theme, I can even go to the Microsoft Store. This theme, it is being still downloaded. And if I want to apply some other themes, then I will apply this Ducati theme. You can see the theme has been applied. So whenever you apply the theme, you will be able to see the taskbar and the icon, the color of the icon, the desktop icon, and it might also have changes to your sound effects. So this way you will be able to modify the themes, and these are the themes which are available within the Windows operating system. And some of the themes, these are the one which we have downloaded. The other themes, the rest of the themes are available within Microsoft Windows. If I click on this theme will be applied, and this is the theme which is already available with Windows. If you like this theme, you will be able to select this theme. And whenever you download the themes from the internet, you need to be very careful because most of the downloaded files contains virus. You need to scan for those files which you have downloaded from the internet and use the themes. There is a default folder where all these themes will be stored. You can right click on the start, click on run, and the default folder where all the themes will be stored is this location. This is the Windows directory and the resources and the themes. Either you can use the file explorer, so your PC, then C drive, then your Windows directory, and there is a folder which is called as resources. So we need to search for resources. Under resources, there is a folder called themes. So we have all the themes which are available within Microsoft Windows. So these are the default themes which are available, and the downloaded files what we have downloaded, that also I will copy and paste it here. So all these files which we have copied, I will copy this and place into this default folder. I will give the permission. For any copying, we need to provide the permission as administrator. And once the files are copied, and if I wanted to change the theme, I'll go to the themes and I will set it to the theme which we have downloaded, which is cloud theme. So once the theme is set, the desktop background image has changed and the taskbar color has changed, and we will be able to see the icons clearly. So this way we will be able to manage the themes within Windows 11 operating system. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.